Ever felt your mind dragging, almost like you're stuck in second gear? What if I told you there's a liquid solution to supercharge your gray matter? We've all been there trying to juggle a million tasks and feeling like our brains are working through a fog. It's frustrating, right? But imagine if every sip you took could bring you one step closer to clearer thinking, sharper memory, and focused concentration. Sound too good to be true? Enter nootropics, the brain boosters that everyone's talking about. Nootropics come in all shapes and sizes, from natural roots to high-tech synthetics, all with a singular mission: to level up your brain game. And guess what? Some of your favorite beverages might just be secret nootropic agents. Stick around, because today we're diving deep into the world of brain-boosting juices. Not only will these power-packed drinks nourish your body, but they'll also act as a turbocharger for your brain. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to whip up one of these 5 drinks for a glass of pure brain power. Let's get started. Number 1, let's dive into the vibrant world of turmeric lattes. Ever heard of golden milk? Nope. It's not a superhero drink, but it might as well be. This creamy, warm delight shines with the rich hue of turmeric, that magical yellow spice that's been all the rage lately. Why the buzz, you ask? Well, turmeric packs a secret weapon: curcumin. This powerful antioxidant is believed to fire up your body's production of BDNF, a little something that your brain totally loves. But here's a fun fact: if BDNF were to go on vacation, it could lead to some unwanted brainy blues and neurological hiccups. So keeping it around is a good idea. Now a heads up: your cozy turmeric latte might not have the same heavy-duty amount of curcumin as some of those intense research studies, but it's a delicious start. Feeling crafty? Whip one up at home. Here's a Golden Glow latte recipe for 2 servings. What you'll need: 2 cups of your favorite milk, cow's, almond, soy, or oat, you name it. A generous 1.5 teaspoons of ground turmeric, a dash of sweet magic, think honey or stevia, some flair, consider a sprinkle of cinnamon or a pinch of black pepper. Brewing magic. Step number 1, set the stage with a pot and gentle heat. Cozy up that milk until it's just hot. 2, now let turmeric make its grand entrance. Whisk it in. 3, once blended, pour this liquid gold into mugs. 4, feeling extra? Jazz it up with your chosen sweeteners or toppings. Cheers to a brain-boosting, taste-bud-teasing treat. Number 2, beetroot juice. Dive into the world of this crimson wonder, the beet. Not only is this root veggie a stunner in the color department, but it's also bursting with nitrates. Why should you care? Well, these nitrates are the backstage passes for nitric oxide, a rock star that helps our cells breathe easy and amps up our blood flow. Now, fitness buffs might know this secret already. They've been chugging down beetroot juice before hitting the gym, hoping for that blood-pumping advantage. But here's a little plot twist. What if this ruby red drink also had some brainy perks? Yep, nitric oxide is more than just a workout buddy. It might be doing some backstage work in the areas of your brain responsible for your stellar vocabulary, your knack for picking up new skills, and even those moments when you make boss-level decisions. So, could beetroot juice be the unsung hero boosting this action? The jury's still out, but it's worth a sip. Thinking of trying it out? Mix up some beetroot powder with water or get yourself some concentrated beetroot juice. Remember, a little goes a long way. We're talking about a modest 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. Number 3, green tea. Ever felt that caffeine jolt from coffee and thought, is there a smoother ride? Well, step right up. Green tea's got the ticket. It's like coffee's cool cousin with a gentler caffeine touch, but the magic doesn't stop there. This verdant brew dances with not 1 but 2 superstar nootropics, L-theanine and EGCG. First, let's chat about L-theanine. Imagine a serene day at the beach, waves lapping at your feet. That's what L-theanine brings to the table. It's like a relaxation vacation in a cup. Blend it with caffeine and bam, it's like having laser-sharp focus at your fingertips. And did I mention green tea's overall prowess? Dive into some science and you'll find that our green friend might just be the secret sauce for maintaining a razor-sharp memory and keeping your focus on point. But wait, there's more. Let's give a shout out to EGCG. This little wonder doesn't just mingle in your cup. It takes a VIP pass straight through your blood-brain barrier. That means it's potentially on the front lines, working wonders on your brain and even throwing punches at nasty neurodegenerative foes. Intrigued? Well, next time you're thinking of a drink, why not let green tea be your brainy brew of choice? Cheers to that. Number 4. All right, let's talk orange juice. Ever grabbed a glass of OJ in the morning, felt that sunshiny burst of vitamin C? Here's a fun fact. Just 1 cup of this liquid gold meets a whopping 93% of your daily vitamin C quota. But wait, there's a plot twist. This vitamin doesn't just have your immune system singing, it might just be your brain's secret BFF. Dive deep into the world of research, and there's chatter about those with a pep in their vitamin C step, either in the blood or through their diet, showcasing some serious brain game. We're talking attention levels that rival a cat spotting a laser pointer, memory sharp enough to remember that embarrassing middle school incident, and language skills that could woo a wordsmith. But, and it's a big but, before you go downing gallons of OJ, there's a caveat. That sweet, tangy juice, it might be packing more than just vitamins. Think added sugars and extra calories, too much of it, and you might be wading into risky terrains like obesity, diabetes, and heart concerns. So, what's a citrus lover to do? Well, why not go old school and simply eat an orange? It's like nature's own little package. Fewer calories, way less sugar, a touch of fiber, and still rocking 77% of your vitamin C needs. It's all the zesty goodness without the extra baggage. Number 5. Chlorophyll-packed concoctions. Green juices and smoothies. Imagine sipping on a mix starring power-packed greens. Think kale and spinach. Cool as a cucumber. Well, cucumbers. Crisp green apples for that zesty kick. And fresh herbs with lemongrass leading the parade. And for those of you smoothie lovers looking for that lush, creamy texture, we've got goodies like buttery avocados, silky yogurt, protein-packed powders, and bananas that'll make you go bananas. But what's the big deal, right? Well, besides being your ticket to the Green Drink Club, these emerald elixirs are often bursting with vitamin C and other age-defying antioxidants. Your brain, it's about to send you thank you notes. Ready to get mixin'? Let's blend up some joy. Here's a Verdant Delight juice, makes 3 to 4 servings. Your ingredients: 1 regal head of celery, 2 sassy medium cucumbers, a playful handful of lemongrass, 3 grand handfuls of fresh spinach, 2 zingy green apples, all dolled up, cored and sliced, 2 vibrant limes, peeled and de-seeded. Here's how to brew the magic. Step number 1, shower love and water on your produce. Chop them into juicer-friendly bits. 2, let each ingredient waltz through the juicer. 3, mix, pour into your favorite jar, and refrigerate. Best enjoyed within 5 days. Here's an Emerald Embrace smoothie. Makes 1 serving. Your ingredients: 2 majestic handfuls of raw kale, half of a dreamy banana, prepped and primped, half of a lush avocado, 1 cup of vanilla Greek yogurt, half a cup of your chosen milk, from cows, almonds, or oats, a scoop of ice for that chill factor. Blend to glory. Step number 1, give your kale a good spa treatment. 2, blend all these stars together. Adjust thickness to your heart's desire with more milk or fruit. All right, just as we blend ingredients for the perfect juice, your feedback is the secret ingredient to our channel's growth. Drop a comment below and share which juice you're eager to try, or if you have any turbocharged recipes of your own. And if you had an aha moment today, tap that like button to let us know. See you in the next video.